these are the meeting room elevators, also known as the floor 3 elevators, here at the Prince Waikiki. Wow, beautiful cabs. Wow, custom OTIS Series 1, look at this. This is cool. Parking. 3? Nice. These are really cool COPs. And yeah, that cab. Look at that. Let's run it up to 3 and ended up there. Never turns off. All right.